Ladies and gentlemen, Mura Tech Talk. I'm your host, Max, and my Galaxy Buds Plus came in today. So I thought it might be a good opportunity for an unboxing. So let's see. 11 hours of playtime, two-way speakers, triple mics for clear voice call, and key-compatible wireless charging, sound by AKG. So that's interesting. I did have the first generation of these, and sound quality I thought was great. I did occasionally have trouble, especially in noisier environments, in terms of people being able to hear me on a phone call. That was my only gripe with these. And excuse me just a moment, get my apparatus to open these without cutting my thumb. Yeah, like that. You know, as long as it was in elementary school and they told you to keep sharp objects away from your hands, still don't do it. Alright, so it's a nice little presentation. Little pull tab here, which I'm having trouble with, so let me take the box out first. We'll take a look at that in a second. Wow, this is actually a lot glossier than the last model. Oh, I already... that. Okay. Wow, look at that. Okay, so right off the bat, yeah, that's gonna pick up fingerprints like nobody's business. So, you may want to throw a skin on this, like something from Dbrand. Not that they're a sponsor, because I only got like 10 subscribers right now, maybe less. But, yeah, this is it. So that's interesting. Alright, let's see what else we get. The autofocus, by the way, I'm using my S20 Ultra to film this, and you'll notice I'm having some trouble focusing on a subject. Alright, I'm putting on autofocus. I didn't realize that wasn't enabled. My apologies. So there's a little button here on the screen when you're working with an S20 Ultra, and wow, even with autofocus, there we go. I need a background. Alright, so you get a USB-A to USB-C. And let's see, what else do you get? Okay, so these are like replacement rings with the tips. Alright, so it's not just the tip, it's a ring that goes with it. Let me take a look at one of the buds to see what that's for. Okay. So this outer ring here gets replaced, and there's different fits. So this rubber tip here at the end would also get replaced. Alright. I'm gonna, let's see. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy a skin for this. That's gonna bug the heck out of me. But overall impressions on first looks, not bad. Ready to try these out. I'll give an impression video once I try these out too. Alright, thanks all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this. Subscribe if you like my channel. You know, hit that like button. If you didn't like the video, that other button works too. Won't hurt my feelings, don't worry. Alright, thanks you all for watching, and have a good one.